Yes, this is the code with valid identifiers and as well as invalid identifiers. Now, variable one, which is not started with a digit and it's not a keyword, and let's assign this. Okay, let me drag here. Let me execute. So you can see here, Python is Spider is IDE, which is used for machine learning algorithms for large amount of data, and this is this one is used for entire the program is executed. Entire program is executed. This is used line by line execution. Okay, and you can see the outputs in this window. So at the end of the session, I will explain you how to install and all other things if you are anyone is facing problem. Right. Now variable one is valid. So let us execute that. For line by line execution, keep your cursor at that particular line and go to this one. Yes, it is valid. It is assigned. Now we want to see the value of var1. Let's print that. Yes, you can see here the value is showing. So it is pretty valid identifier. Next, we are assigning a string to var underscore 1. Let's execute this. Var underscore, it is not throwing any kind of error. So simply it's printing hello world. And I'm using all uppercase letters with the name 45, executing and print name. Yes, value is given. And name 2e. You can see here in the middle of the name, I'm using a numeric value, name 2 equal Python. So I want to execute that. Now it is assigned and it's showing the output in the console Python. And this is at the end of this program, I'll show you what are the keywords. This is keyword, not keyword. If I use another underscore, then it becomes keyword. So it's simply showing 6. I'm using a double underscore, and in between that again one more underscore. So I want to print that 6. And list is the data type of collection. I think tomorrow or day after tomorrow we will discuss about data type. Then you can see. So I'm using that kind of variable name also. What happens is list equal 10. Simply it is executing 10. Okay. 2 times repeated. These are the value. Now let's go for invalid identifiers. How Python reacts for invalid identifiers. These are the invalid identifiers. So it is started with digit. What happens? Let's see. What happened? Syntax error. It's showing that syntax error, that is invalid syntax. Where is the error? It has been started with 1. It is violating the rule of Python. Next, we'll go for the next one. Variable equal height. Showing the error. Cannot assign to operator. What is the operator there? At the rate. It's a special symbol, and you cannot use for as an identifier. That's the reason Python is throwing syntax error. and def. Def is the keyword. That's the reason you can observe everyone is in white color, red color, coming to or orange color. Coming to here, def is in purple color. What does it mean? Simply it's a keyword. I'll show you the keywords. Def equal 110. I'm assigning 110 value. It's showing error. It's not valid. Even though if I say print def, simply it's not valid. Invalid syntax. And the question here is, how do I know what are the keywords? Simply I want to give some identifier name. And how do I know that whether it is keyword or not? Simply let's import the keyword. What is the import, and everything will be discussed in the modules. For the knowledge purpose, just observe here. Import keyword and print keyword. In the keyword, what are the list? KW list means keyword list. Okay. Print the keyword list on the console. So let's see here. And these are the list of keywords. False. You cannot use false as identifier. You cannot use none as identifier. True. Page person. Actually, I have shown here now. Right? If I use one more underscore, then it is invalid. But I use only one underscore. And logical and as, assert, non-local, not, nor, pass, try. All these are cannot be used as identifier in Python programming language. How many are there? Let's take length. Length means LEN. Length means it counts the values on that particular list. Length, LEN. The function name is LEN means length. Length of that keyword list means how many keywords are there in that keyword list. How many are there? 36. These 36 cannot be used as identifier in Python. These 36 keywords cannot be used as identifier. Right? So in some IDEs, this is not shown. This whatever the P is cursor. In some IDEs it shows only 35, but in Spider it's showing that 36. Okay, keep it in mind. So you'll be asked in interview, how many keywords are there in Python? Simply you can say 36. Till now, any doubt? Let's go for another concept, that is operators. If you have doubts, you can ask me.